So guys, welcome to my channel, and first you have to come on this website gigabyte.com, which is download the driver for Gigabyte motherboard. Then you can see here search button, click to here, and then enter model number of motherboard B860MD, and then hit enter. Then guys, click to product, this one, click on here B860MD. Then click to support. I already downloaded 165. Just after download, just open it and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. Then it is automatically closed. This is installed.